I'm going to show you how to scan document from Canon Pixma MG 3600 series to your computer. Go to scan your document. You need to go to the image garden, open up the image garden. This is the image garden. Now close it and go to scan. So select scan. Now you need to select if you want to scan PDF or photo or auto. So select PDF. And this document now is scanning. Okay, if you want to scan the second one, remove this document and put the second document you want to scan. You can do this as many times you like. Close it. From the image garden, select scan. The document is scanning the second page. The next thing to do is once you finish, you select exit. And the document we scan is here. This is the PDF document. Open it up. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Okay. Now, if you want to print this document out, you need to go to the file. Make sure you select the second one. Go to file. Select file. When you select file, then you scroll down to print. When you select file, you can see save or print or exit. So select print. Now you need to also select, okay, you see this image or format, select printer, correct printer, and also paper and plain paper, front tray. And once you select all the features, if you scroll down, you select the correct printer, okay, then you select the paper, A4 paper, or whichever paper you have here. What we have here, you are using, the paper we have here is A4 paper, and media type is plain paper. Scroll down to select correct media type, and select from the front tray and select print. Now this document is printing. And see, this is the first one. This is the second one. Okay, now this document, now you can also save this document. Select file, click save. Now you need to then decide where you want to save this document. You need to select browse. Okay, select browse. Now you select where you want to save this document. You can save this document in wherever you want to save it. Okay, so I'm going to save this document in the download section. Select OK, and also you need to save it. I'm going to type, you can type your name to remember this document. Okay, and it's also PDF multiple page. You select save. So now this document is saved. Okay, so what you need to do is if you want to print it out, you can close the image garden. Then you go to the next thing to do is if you want to print this document, you go to File Explorer, select File Explorer, open it up, then go to Downloads, and this is the document we save now. Okay, this is the document. Click open it up. This is the document. Scroll down. This is the first and second one. This is the document we save. Okay, now if you want to print this document out, you can also select print. Select print, and you see this format for you to select the correct printer. Okay, make sure you select the correct printer. Then you scroll, you select how many copies, portrait, how many pages, and also color, and also select double side. So I want us to print this document double-sided, print on both sides, long edge, to save paper, and select print. There we go. And see that it's going back in for us to print double-sided. This is the document we scanned, printed it out, double-sided. We also save this document in the download section in the computer. So this document now, if you want to send it to somebody via email, what you need to do is you need to go to your email address. If you open your email, for instance, then you select new. When you select new, then you need to select insert. So select insert, then you go attach file, select attach file, then you need to browse this computer. So browse the computer where you save the document. Okay, this document is saved in the download section, and you can see the document here, today's date. You select on it. The next thing to do is click open for this document to attach to your inbox. So this document now is attached to my inbox. Okay, the next thing to do is you put the email address of the person you want to send this document to. I want to send it back to myself. So put the email address of the person you want to send this document to. Click send. Click send. So this document now is sent to my inbox. The only thing you need to do is just for you to wait for the document to arrive. Okay, and once it arrives, I'm going to show you this document. But this document now is sent to my inbox. So this is exactly how this works. Here we go. The document just arrived. Okay, so select, open it up. This is the document sent to my inbox. Okay, so this is exactly how this works, how to scan a document, print it out, share. So to print a document from your laptop to Canon printer, there are two ways to do this. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and laptop both are connected to the same network. Then you go to your file explorer. So select file explorer. This is file explorer. Then you need to select where you save the document you want to print out. The document I want to print out is PDF file and is saved in the download section. Open it up. So select the document and open it up. Okay, and this is the document I want to print out. It's 2 pages document, PDF document. Now to print this document out, you can select Ctrl P from your laptop, or you go on top, you will see a printer image. So select the printer image, and once you select the printer image, the next thing you need to do, you need to select the correct printer from the side. So you scroll down and make sure you select the correct printer. And the printer we are selecting is MG 3600 series. Okay, and you select how many copies. So use up and down arrow to select how many copies. You can also select portrait or landscape. So this document is currently in portrait. If you want it to be in landscape, then you need to select landscape, and this is landscape version of it. So want it in portrait. And also, if you want to print all, you select print all. If you want to print odd page, you select odd page. If you want to print even page, odd page is 1, 3, 5, and etc. Even page is 2, 4, 6, and 8, 10. Okay, you can also select to print only specific page. So this document is 2 pages. Now to print only page 1, you can also select the dot and type only print page 1. Okay, and you select print on one side page 1 print. So this document now, we're only going to print page 1. There we go. So this is the document we printed out, only page 1. If you want to print the second page, you can also select to print the second page, select print, then go to print. You can type page 2 for you to print second page. If you want to print all, then you select print all, and in this case I want us to print it double-sided, print on both sides, long edge, okay, and select print. So this document now, we're going to print it on both sides. There we go. So this document we printed out double-sided. Okay, so another way to print this document is for you to go to Image Garden. Okay, so if you go to Image Garden, if you have another document you save in the, open up the Image Garden, and this is the document, okay, it's in my Image Garden. If you want to print it out, okay, you need to select. So this document is scanned to my Image Garden. So you go to File, select File, then scroll down to select Print. Okay, and this is from Image Garden. Then the next thing to do, you need to select correct printer, select correct paper size, select media type, and also select paper source. You do all this by scrolling. Okay, so select the down arrow for you to select the correct printer. Also select the paper. So any paper you are using, then you need to select it from here. So what we are using here is A4. Then the paper source is from paper. You select front tray. Okay, and paper type is plain paper. Then you select print. So now this document is going to print out from Image Garden. There we go. This is a document we printed out from the Image Garden PDF document, 2 pages. Okay, so these are ways to print documents from file. First one is from File Explorer. The second one is if you save this document, okay, in the Image Garden, then you can also print it from there. I'm going to show you how to copy documents from this printer. Open up the scanner. Now place the document you want to copy to the scanner face down. Close it. Now you decide if you want to copy color or black. So if you want to copy color, you need to press this button here. Press it once for you to copy color document once. Okay, so this is the document we copied, color 1. Now we want to copy the second page, black. So it's select black. If we select it twice, we selected black twice, so we want to copy this document twice. So this is the first one, black. So this is the second one. So we copied this document 2 pages and copied color 1. So this is exactly how this works. You just need to press this button here once if you want to copy it color once. If you want to copy color twice, you need to press it twice. If you want to copy black twice, you need to 2 pages, you need to press this 2. Okay, so this is how to copy a document from CANON Pixma printer. Thank you very much.